Good morning, children. Today, in this class, I am going to do the second example in the page number 123. Okay. The second example is Hema and Madhavi are sisters. Madhavi is 3 years younger to Hema. Write Madhavi's age in terms of Hema's age. This is the given question. Okay. Once see the condition. Hema and Madhavi are sisters. They are both are sisters. Madhavi is 3 years younger to the Hema. Okay. Madhavi is 3 years younger to Hema. Write the Madhavi's age in terms of Hema's age. Okay. Now let us see. Here they have given the condition. Madhavi is 3 years younger to Hema. Okay. Now if Hema's age is 10 years, then Madhavi's age is 10 minus 3 equal to 7 years. Here, if Hema's age, they have not given the exact years of Hema. That is why, if Hema's age is 10 years, then Madhavi's age is 7 years. Why? Because 10 minus 3, 7 years. Madhavi is 3 years younger than the Hema. That is why we have to subtract 3 years from 10 years, then we can get 7 years. Then Madhavi's age is 7 years. If Hema's age 16 years, then Madhavi's age is 16 minus 3, 13 years. Okay. If Hema's age is 16 years, then Madhavi's age is 13 years. Why? Because Madhavi is 3 years younger than the Hema. Okay. In this problem, we don't know the exact value of, we don't know the exact years of Hema. Okay. Here, we don't know the exact age of Hema. So, let Hema's age is P. Okay, let us assume that Hema's age is P. Okay, then if Hema's age is P, then Madhavi's age is P minus 3 years. If Hema's age is P years, then Madhavi's age is P minus 3 years. Why? They have given the condition. Madhavi is 3 years younger than the Hema. That is why, then Madhavi's, if the Hema's age is P years, then Madhavi's age is P minus 3 years. Here, P is the variable. Here, P is the variable. We can take any value. Why? Because they don't given any proper exact value. That is why we can take any value according instead of P. Here, P is the variable and P is the variable. P is the variable and P equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. In this way, we can do this type of problems and we can write the pattern for the given problem. Okay. Here, if the Hema's age is P years, then the Madhavi's age in terms of Hema's age is P minus 3 years. Okay. This is the pattern for the given problem. Okay. Once again, Hema and Madhavi are sisters. Madhavi is 3 years younger to Hema. Write Madhavi's age in terms of Hema's age. Okay. If Hema's age is 10 years, then Madhavi's age is 10 minus 3 years, it means 7 years. If Hema's age is 16 years, then Madhavi's age is 16 minus 3, it means 13 years. Here we don't know the exact age of Hema, that is why let us assume that the Hema's age is 3 years and then Madhavi's age is 3 minus 3 years. Okay, here P is the variable. Okay, we can take any value instead of P, like P starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, in this way we can write the pattern for the given problem. P minus 3 is the pattern for the given problem. Okay, now let us see the more patterns in exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. The first one in page number 123, exercise 9.1, first problem. Okay, the first problem is find the rule which gives number of matchsticks required to make the following matchsticks for the pattern. The first one is a pattern of letter T. A pattern of letter T. Okay. To make a letter T, how many matchsticks would be required? This is the question. Okay. In the exercise 9.1, in the first section, the first bit is a pattern of letter T. Okay, how to write the pattern of T? Okay, now let us see. To make the letter T, it should require 2 matchsticks. Okay, now let us see. To draw one T. Here it is one matchstick and here it is another matchsticks. Okay, how many matchsticks we are using here to make T? Okay, here we are using 2 matchsticks. How many matchsticks we are using for one? Here 2 matchsticks required. Matchsticks for one T is 2 matchsticks. Okay, now let us see. Here matchsticks for 2 T's. Okay, how many matchsticks here we are using? This is one matchstick, 2, 3, 4. Okay, matchsticks required for 2 T's. That are 4 matchsticks we have. We should take 4 matchsticks. With the 4 matchsticks we can make 2 T's. Okay, suppose if you see 3 T's, how many matchsticks we should use? We have to use 6 matchsticks. For 3 we have to use 3 T's for 6 matchsticks. Okay, if you observe the matchsticks, count of matchsticks, okay, here we can write, it can be written as in the form of 2 into 1. It is written as 2 into 2 and it can be written as 2 into 3. Here 2 is the common digit. Okay. Here 2 is the common digit for all and 1, 2, 3 that is varying. That is why the pattern for making T is 2m. Here 2 is the constant and m is the variable. M is the variable. Okay, in this way we can write the patterns for the given problems. Okay, a pattern of letter T. Okay, to make T, how many mastics required? 2 mastics. To make 2 T's, it requires 4. To make 3 T's, it requires 6. Okay, in this way, if you see, we can write the pattern 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Okay, for that, we can write the pattern. Pattern for making T is 2m. Here 2 is the constant and m is the variable. Okay, now let us see the second problem. The pattern of E. A pattern of E. Okay. Suppose if you want to make E, how many mastics here we are using? 1. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. To draw 1 mastics, to draw 1 E, or to make 1 E, it requires how many mastics it requires? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mastics. Okay. To make 2 E's, how many mastics it should require? To make 2 E's, or to make 2 E's, it required 8 mastics. To make 3 E's, how many mastics it should require? It required, to make 3 E's, it required 12 mastics. Okay. Here, if you observe the all mastics required for 1E, 2E, 3E, okay, we can write the general form for the given, for the above results. We can write the pattern. Pattern to E. The pattern of E is 4 into m. 4 into m. It can be written as 4m. Here, to make 1E, it requires 4 mastics. To make 2 E's, it requires 8 mastics. To make 3 E's, it requires 12 mastics. Okay, in this way, we can write the pattern for the E is 4 into m. Here, 4 into m means 4m. Here, m is variable. Here, m is a variable. Okay, m variable means m equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. In this way, we can write the pattern for E. Okay, now let us see a pattern of Z. Third one is the pattern of Z. Okay. To make one Z, it requires how many mastics it requiring? Okay. Here 1 mastic, 2 and 3. To draw to make Z, to make letter Z, it requires, to make 1 Z, it requires 3 matchsticks. 3 matchsticks. Three matchsticks. Suppose if you want to make 2 jets, it requires 6. It requires 6 matchsticks. Okay. Suppose if you want to make 3 jets, if you want to make 3 jet ladders, it requires 9 matchsticks. 9 matchsticks. Okay. By observing the above matchsticks, the number of above matchsticks, we can write the pattern of letter Z is 3m. Why? Because these are the multiples of 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 2 and 3 into 3. For that we can write the pattern 3 into m. It can be written as 3m. There, here m is a constant. M is a variable. And m value varies from 1 to 3 and so on. Okay, in this way we can write the pattern for the given Z. Okay, for the letter Z, 3m is the pattern, general pattern to make Z. Okay, in the next class you will see the next problems. Thank you, children.